Hi, I'm David Katzmeyer from CNET, and this is the Samsung UNB 8500 series. I'm sitting next to the 55-inch version. There's also a 46-inch member of the series. This is Samsung's highest-end HD TV for 2009. It's also one of the best performing HD TVs we've ever tested. We'll get to that in a little bit, but first let's take a look at the styling. This TV is really slick in person. When you see it from the side, you'll notice that it's really thin. It's only 1.66 inches deep, which is among the thinnest TVs available on the market. From the front, it's no slouch either. It's got this black border and a kind of transparent edge around here. There's also a transparent stock to match it that allows the TV to swivel side to side. TV also has Yahoo widgets, which are internet-enabled doodads that you can install on your TV. You can get weather, stock ticker, sports, news, that sort of thing. You can also check out your fantasy sports on a new widget. There's also a TV guide widget that enables you to look at your TV listings. There's also YouTube, Twitter, and a bunch of other apps you can install. They're growing every day. Widgets are a little bit slow, however, so if you're not used to things taking a little while, it's kind of frustrating when you play around with them. This TV also has numerous picture adjustments. You can go into the menu and play around with a lot of different controls, including gamma. There's a color management system. You can also play around with the color temperature. And new for 2009, Samsung's 240 Hz sets have adjustable de-judder, which enables you to dial in the amount of smoothness you want to the picture, which is a really nice feature. Around back, you'll find 4 HDMI inputs, 1 component video input, a PC input, and of course the LAN port for internet connectivity. If you want to have wireless, you got to buy an extra dongle that costs $80 or install your own third-party wireless solution. TV lacks a good deal of analog connectivity, so if you have a lot of analog components, you're going to have to route them through a switcher or use some other method. As we mentioned at the top, this TV is one of the best performing TVs we've ever tested and definitely the best LCD TV. The key to that performance is its deep black levels. It can produce a really deep, nearly absolute black. When you turn down the lights and watch a picture, it really adds punch and impact to the whole image. So it is one of those TVs that really does produce deep blacks. It's actually the second deepest we've ever seen. The key to that is the LED elements that have local dimming, so it can turn on and off the LEDs and dim them appropriately across the screen. And unlike a lot of other LED local dimming TVs, this set doesn't have too much blooming, so those blacks really do stay relatively absolute. There's very little bleed over from the light areas into the black, so we really appreciated that. The flip side, this TV's off-angle viewing is really not that great. When you move to one couch cushion to either side, the black levels really start to fall through the floor. So unless you're really in that sweet spot, you don't get the full benefit of its picture quality. And that's really the main flaw we found in this TV. We're not huge fans of its glossy screen, but all things considered, it does have excellent performance. That's a quick look at the Samsung UNB 8500 series, and I'm David Katzmeyer.